Alright, what is good, people? The bell is about to go for the open. And I have a few things that I'm looking out for today. Let's go ahead and set alerts. For gold, this Asia high is about to be taken. I would like a manipulation into some form of liquidity. However, this is very perfect Asia London manipulation distribution, but we just have this below, which I'm not the biggest fan of, to be honest. But that's the bell. We're either gonna come up and immediately take it, or tap this 15 and then go, or maybe tap this. Yeah, I sort of know what I want for price today. You have so much LR over here, bro. Like, I know what I want to happen. So I know what I want to see happen. Let's see if we maybe get this previous day's high swept. I'm looking at this more, so I'll just have this here. And then I'll leave alerts like this. I don't even know if I'd want this straight off the rip, but because AS is a lagging, bro. Holy 30-second, that's a nice one. Not really a bottom week put in though. This is a clean AMD right now. But we still have that previous day high. No news Monday as well. Might expect some chop. What's a max contracts for an advanced account on Alpha? 5. Yeah, I told you, bro. This. I literally called it. I would love this previous day's high. This previous day's high to be swept and then we go down. It looks like we'd put in some SMT as well, which would be very nice. Don't just fail. Don't fail to swing it. I need some external liquidity to be swept. Bro, don't do it. Not the best open, as you can obviously see. Oh, this. We've fully filled this new week opening gap. Like completely. Bro. If we sweep this high, this would actually be a very nice setup. I just don't like how we are leaving this 4-hour room to inverse. Like this could just go inverse again. But NQ just looks like it wants a dump, bro. Well, there's that 5-minute tapped. And we're in a 3-minute on ES. Well, clearly that 5-minute looks like it's holding. There's a 1 minute hasn't even gone inverse. I don't even trust this inverse if it does end up going inverse. If this runs, okay, well that's that 5-minute tap on gold. I mean, that Asia high tapped on gold like I literally just called. I'm not trusting this inversion on AS at all. Don't trust it one bit. We still have a really nice new week opening gap. Like a fully unmitigated new week opening gap on gold. Is it here on? I mean, it's like barely there. But like here it is. It's just light, bro. I don't even know if I want to short gold like right now in the state that it's in. Did not put that there. No way. Don't fail to swing that. But like I said, that 1 minute inversion, no way I would trust that. How many ticks? 5 ticks, bro. We have these low resistance lows as well. Oh, AS is just moving weird, bro. Just take this high. It's just not doing what I need it to do to have shorts in play. So first presented gap of New York session. Would have loved to see it unmitigated before we came and took this high, so that I could have targeted it. But it looks like it's just gonna flush immediately towards it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why is it? Why do we just dump like a lot of ticks in that candle? It's a lot of ticks. Hold on. Why is Trump dropping tariffs? News right now. What is Trump doing, bro? This guy, bro. This guy genuinely cannot have anything, bro. This guy just tweets. Like, surely that needs to be investigated, bro. This guy just tweets about new tariffs or threatening more tariffs. 5 minutes exactly into market open. Riddle me that, bro. How? I wouldn't even want to take a 5-minute inverse here, because look where NQ is. It's about to take London low. I see us flushing London, Asia, and this previous day low. But, like... SMT at the London Lab. Yeah, beautiful. Bro, look at this V-shaped inversion, dude. No. AS has to flush through this LR, bro. Also, like a lot of the like Coinbase has dropped 3%, but I'm not sure if it's even in the queue. I don't even know if it's in the DAC, bro. Holy, that's a good inversion though. That's a beautiful inversion. I mean, trying this on an AVAL low-key wouldn't even be bad, bro. No, no, no. I will be sitting out of this one. I mean, accepting at London low inside of a discounted hourly, that's not even bad, bro. That ain't even bad, bro. I don't even know why I didn't do that. I just do not trust longs right now. Yeah, cheers, bro. About 2 minutes late. Just don't trust them at all. And like, we're in a 3-minute now as well, so I just wouldn't trust it. Gold's just like sending. There's like, it's just going to the moon. If this plays out, I'll be flabbergasted. I'll be flabbergasted, mate. Something sussy's going on, bro. There is dead ass no way this plays out. There can't be a way this plays out. There's just no way. We have SMT London though. Inside of that discounted hourly, but like, just do not trust it at all. Gold's like lagging, bro. I feel like gold's about to flush like really hard. Cause I say silver. If we get like a 1 minute CISD, just because this risk to reward's really high. Like it's really, really high. Like the risk to reward is very high. So I may as well take a stab. On an eval as well. Like this trade's not really that good, but I may as well just take a stab at it. Just because of how I like how it looks. This is more intuition though, like there isn't really many confluences here. And we're sort of just accumulating right now. Yeah. Oh, wow. Gas. Might as well take a stab there. Something low risk. That was a horrible position actually. But I mean my intuition was there. It looked like it was gonna flush. It was a really nice 30-second inverse. After race sweeping those sides, just creating a new 5 minute. And also silver was like dumping hard. Does this 1 minute IFEJ play? I'm not sure. I want to say it does just because of all this LR, but like, if you look at it from a mechanical standpoint, I don't think it does. It's not aggressive at all either. Also, this trade I just took on gold, like I would never take that ever. On a funded, I'm just on an eval, so I don't really. Are we dead ass? Am I really saying this correctly, bro? Serious, man? Are we serious, bro? Just race with me. No, it's been wrong. Oh, they hit that unfilled 5 that I wanted tapped, so it's beautiful. Mm. Yeah, it just has to flush through all this LR. That's like the only way I would say this is playing out. But it's taken so long to actually get to this inverse, which we literally still haven't got. Yeah, that first trade was so ass. I do not know why I got in that trade. It was more intuition, but like, I personally think it was more emotions than that. But I mean, race, like, sweep of Asia high with New Week opening gap and unfilled. Like, mechanically, it's good. There was a very easy break even spot as well, which it hit after reswam me. Here's what it is though. And plus, it's $200 in an AVAR. Like, who cares? Risk to reward was way too high to not take a stab. It was like a 6 risk to reward, so. How much did this shit whip me out by? 1 point. Okay, so what happened? Nothing happened on that hourly candle. Sick. Yeah, man. Hold on a second. Oh, bro. Go! Hurry up! Alright, there's no entry anyway. Oh, why have they made it so hard to connect now, bro? These silver longs look like very nice. But I'm afraid the entry's gone, my friend. Yes, good. Those silver. Oh, I'm sorry. Those shorts would have played out as well. Like, this shit's just so jarring, bro. I mean, I don't really care. I took a stab here. Like, that risk to reward was way too high to pass up on it. Like, 5 risk to reward. Obviously, I'm going to be taking that any day of the week. Like, obviously, I will be taking that, little bro. I actually like this. I actually like this a lot. Depending on how this inverses. Depending on how aggressive this gets inversed. Was that another 4-hour tap? No. I actually like this a lot. Oh my gosh. The longs on gold are there. I mean, I would have been in on gold longs, but they just don't look good enough to me. Not enough displacement, in my opinion. Hold on, these silver ones look better. Oh, I don't like this. I mean, it's good displacement, but like the way, just where we close is just so not good, bro. We just did not close where I wanted us to close. Which just sucks. Oh my gosh, I took it on the wrong account. We dead ass. Yeah, we closed in this. I don't like that. Break-even will obviously be here. Let's see if we can come up and take it on. I don't even know how much I risked on this. Ass. Oops. Stop should be below here. Good rotation out of that 15, which I do like. But delivering from a 4-hour, we have all these like intermediate highs all around here. I'm not gonna leave a runner. Just gonna go for a small base hit. Body. Yeah, I mean, this gap might hold us. I mean, once we get through this, should be easy sailing up to our break even, and then isn't really much. I wouldn't even be like, I wouldn't even hate the idea of adding a contract here. But like, do I ever want to do that? Immediate retest. Let's add a contract. I like that. This is an eval. Again, I wouldn't do this usually on a funded, but I might come to regret this, but what is that? removing the stop loss. That is not something you want to say after adding it to your contract. That is not something you want to say. What is this? Something sus has to... Okay. Maybe I'm just ass. What is that? There's like no reason for us to not hit that break even. It's... Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a 1 minute IFVG. Shit, like he just needs to run TP right about now, bro. I ain't worried about it, but I'm mad about it. I mean, once we break this high, I may reduce my stop loss to here. And like, just for your information, like, I would never add to a position on a funded. I'm going extremely, extremely aggressive, as this is an evaluation. Trying to pass it ASAP. There was like no reason for us not to run to my break even. But that's why I checked news, because it was a bit weird, a bit sussy. There's absolutely no gaps. Bro, if silver futures sweeps this external low, and the actual silver, like, doesn't. Because look how far away this is. The actual silver from this low. That's why I'm just scared, bro. It could just get completely cooked here. Like, I need Trump to tweet something out fast. I mean, I still trust the trade. Gold and silver uncorrelated yet again. Absolutely nothing happening on NQ and ASO. Come on, mate. For old time's sake, bro. Oh. If they just keep making slow staircases up and then dropping, just playing with me, getting closer and closer to my SL. Bruh, what's gold just launching right now? Silver, bro. Give me some speed, little buddy. Give me some speed, little bro. Come on, little bro. It's unfilled 3 is my break even. This unfilled 3-minute gap is my break even, bro. We have LR, LR, LR. We have the laws of resistance. We have no resistance. Liquidity to run, bro. If we just keep drawing back into gaps and inversing them and just like mucking around, need some displacement. especially here. This is where you want to see displacement above all this LR. Like, we need some displacement here. Otherwise, we could be brown bread. We could be dead, bro. We could be dead. Well, our break even is officially being used as support. I hate when trades do this, when you're just sitting in them for ages. I was just about to say that rotation out that 1 minute gap was beautiful. But it wasn't. It just wasn't. It was so close to being beautiful, bro. This is so painful, this trade. Whenever it gets up to the break even, it just dumps. And I added to the position because there was not really any. We just had this LR and an unfilled gap. Painful, bro. It's very painful. Nothing really on AS and NQ. They're completely uncorrelated right now. I don't even think this is going to run anymore. Because this looks so perfect. Like 15-minute immediate invert, like with this hourly, this 4-hour candle, immediate manipulation to the low, immediate like V-shaped inversion on all time frames, added to the position, unfilled 3-minute, still this high up here. We have so many. We're just delivering from a 4-hour. Yes, we are in premium by a lot. That's like the only thing. But we've just been so bullish. Like everything's just so bullish. But maybe it's not the play today. Especially with this daily profile. London manipulation, New York continuation. But maybe we've continued on enough, eh? But we've got all this LR up here, look. And now we've got LR down here. So it's like, which LR are we going to run first? It's like genuinely a coin flip. We're just inside this, bro. I want this to hurry up though so I can go to sleep. Right now we're doing a whole bunch of nothing. You know that we're chopping around when you have to bring up the volume profile, bro. You know it's bad when that happens. Surely we can trade back up into here a bit. This value area high. Surely. Look at this LR, bro. Oh my gosh. Holy LR. Probably very different on this. That makes a lot more sense looking at this now. Yeah, whenever we like venture into these low volume nodes, we sort of just die. Yeah, like I said, these low volume nodes are not our friend. Needed like a nice push up to value area high or something. Like whenever we're chopping around in a range, I generally have to pull this shit out, bro. Holy shit, bro. If this is just the manipulation, I'm going break even here because obviously all this chop has made me a lot less confident in this trade. And I would like to protect myself a little bit. But like realistically, we should just flush through all that. This LR that we're building is not looking very sexy, I'll tell you that for free. Yeah, it might be the end of the road here. I'm not really mad I added to my position here, because like, especially on the retest of that inversion, because he immediately retested it. But maybe should have waited for the candle to close before I had a look. But if this, like, we're probably gonna run all this LR now. And there's like a small 30-minute down here. That was a horrible 50-minute closure as well. Holy shit. This is just watch us just accumulate on this area for ages. This is all just straight seek and destroy, by the way. Like, there's no proper confluences that are even like valid anymore with this. Like, the market's just not moving. Like, on anything. Everything's really bad right now. Like, just complete indecision everywhere. I would almost be inclined to get out of break even just because this is just causing me such a headache right now. But I know probably not the best thing to do, especially cause like this is just insane how bad this is. Because we're just gonna keep on accumulating and accumulating. Like, do one side get swept? Is it literally just a coin? It's a toss of a coin, bro. Which side wants to get swept? And we're so overextended right now. But in my eyes, the sentiment is more like it's a lot more bullish. Just because we have all this stuff going on. Bro, if we immediately rebalance and just... Please, bro, just do something, please. Now value area high keeps on getting lower and lower. Gold's like actually moving with some intent. Like, as you can see, gold's actually moving like with some intent. Silver's just consolidating sideways, bro. And to think I faded the bloody gold longs because they were not as clean in my opinion. Holy, this is so brain up. Top of the 4-hour candle will be my break even. If it ever even gets there, bro. Oh. 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 Holy sh. Bro, this PA is so cooked, bro. Just do something, please, bro. Like mum's life. This is so anything. Holy shit, bro. This is so cooked. Do something. Oh my. Loki full ported this whole account as well on this. Because it's an advanced account. This trader was clean as though. 15-minute inversion, like 1 foot 3 above, good break even, inverse everything. Good displacement out of that candle. We tapped that first, Brennan. Even the first presented 1 minute, bro. The new. Oh. New range opening cap, everything, bro. Everything. What? For me to get stopped out. If I sit in this trade for over an hour, oh, nah. Like 40 minutes just to get stopped out. I'm not going to be going to sleep a happy man, I'll tell you that for free. Like it's a 1-to-1, this should be playing out fast. Quick sticks. Should be some fast little scalps, not some 40-minute trade for a 1-to-1. Shit, bro. Oh my gosh. Just do something, please. Trump, someone, do something. Please, bro. Oh my gosh. Surely this macro comes on and does something. But its purpose is to manipulate, so it could be toast. I think it's probably just going to manipulate all this LR. This LR is like going to be run in the next, like, very soon. Like, I think it's going to get run very soon. Which means I will be done. If this shit doesn't get run, bro. If this shit doesn't get run, bro. I want to go get a Zin, but like, Semi can't be asked. And also, I could just get stopped out at any second now. Because this LR looks like it's really wanting to get run. I genuinely think this is the worst I've ever seen. An AM session. I don't think I've seen an AM session this bad. Just with zero direction. To be fair, it is a no news Monday. This 9:50 to 11:10 macro is about to come on. But like the role of a macro is to manipulate. I mean, hopefully the trade will be done soon, but one can only wish, right? Because gold's just breaking out. It just keeps on breaking out. Then moving back into the range. But silver ain't even breaking out, bro. It's just dilly-dallying about. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. I'm going inside. Just do something. Holy shit, it's almost 3 a.m. Like, for crying out loud, bro. This macro's come on. Surely it does something, bro. Preferably not my stop loss, but something. And it looks like it's going for my stop loss, bro. Bro, the candle went down 2 ticks. It's calm, bro. Relax. Please just run to take profit. I've sat in this trade for way too long. Coming up on it. More than 40 minutes. Not been in profit once. Mind you. I did not sit in this trade for 40 minutes to get stopped out. Bro. Sake. Surely that's all the manipulation you need, little bro. So probably the most painful trade I've ever had to like endure. Know how annoying this shit is, bro, when you sit in a trade for this long and it's 3 a.m. I need to go to sleep, bro. And you just get stopped like this shit. Why is this going down, bro? It hasn't swept the low on silver. This shouldn't even be anywhere near the low, bro. Mm. This is so dead, cunt. Fuck's sake. Pardon my language. You know how annoying that is? Sitting in a trade for an hour, doing nothing, just to get stopped out. And I've also blew this account, by the way. Oh. Let's just blow that account quickly. Fully blow it. Wait, it just auto liquidated me. Yes. Nice. Alright. Another account blown. Lovely. But you know what? It's an eval. Don't care. You go heavy on evals. Don't make a single dime from them. And if you are wondering, yes, I do still have my evals, little bro. I mean, my PA accounts. One day away from getting another payout, so that's blown. I got another advanced plan as well to pass, which I don't even know I'm going to be able to do because it's stupid ass price action. But I mean, I got what I wished for, something happened, and it resulted in me being stopped out. So, that's the end of the video. Horrible day. Not because I got stopped out, because of what price did. Absolutely nothing. So yeah,